Hi guys, this is Tamara Lankowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and we are going to make the best macaroni salad keto style that you've ever had, okay? So I have my skinny macaroni noodles. I boiled these noodles for 10 minutes. I used 2 bags of noodles to do this, okay? So I boiled them, cooled them down. I'm gonna put them in here. What I'm gonna do is add the sauces first because then everything else will blend in. So I'm gonna do about 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, maybe quarter cup to 1/3 cup. I don't like to use too much. I like to do a lot of vegetables. And then I just do about 1 tablespoon of mustard, okay? And 1 tablespoon of HTM seasoning. This is the magic that makes it taste so good. I'm telling you, if you don't put the HTM seasoning in, it's not gonna taste near as good. So I'm gonna mix all this up, and then as I add my other ingredients, I'm going to continue to mix it. I did 1 small tomato, 1 small red pepper. Again, you can put whatever you want. If you don't have a red pepper, don't worry about it. It's still gonna be delicious, okay? I did some celery and onion chopped up, chopped celery and chopped onion. I did 3 hard-boiled eggs. And about 1/2 cup of cheese. And there you go, that's all my toppings. Whoops, I'm sorry. I am going to mix this. And you have got a delicious macaroni salad. Look at that, guys. When everybody's in the holidays or everybody's getting together and eating potato salad and macaroni salad, and you got this, guess what? You're not gonna crave it because you're gonna get your fix right here. And this stuff is so good. And let me tell you something about these noodles. They lower blood sugar, they lower blood pressure, they lower cholesterol, and they strengthen your heart, okay? So I tell everybody most noodles are disgusting. I don't like any of the noodles out there, but the noodles that I sell are the best ones. They've got the closest texture, because keto noodles are either too rubbery and gross or they're too mushy, like they can't get the texture right. These ones have the closest texture to noodles as you're gonna get without being noodles. So I try to do everything the healthy way, guys. For those of you that don't know me, I've had heart failure 5 times, and I've been able to reverse my heart failure 5 times. And this is how I do it, doing healthy alternatives. Had I done the meat, eggs, cheese, keto, I would have lost weight and dropped dead of a bad heart, okay? This is the healthy way to do keto. Low carb, low calorie. I try to do low fat. Like, you can do a lower fat mayonnaise and still make this. And I do high protein, and my protein is in the form of egg whites and Greek yogurt. You can see that in my other recipes, okay guys? Just another alternative so that you don't cheat, okay? We love you. Thank you so much for watching. If you live nearby, we're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, go on HealthyTreatsMarket.com, click on the 3 bars, and you will see the recipe book. You'll see the cafe menu. You can shop online. Testimonies, video classes, anything you want to look at is over there. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you.